At the State House now, lawmakers are working to decide the next steps for the 6-week abortion ban in South Carolina. News 19's Zoe Henry has the story.
Protests continued on Tuesday at the State House as lawmakers returned for a special session to discuss state budget vetoes. Next steps for what the state will do concerning abortions is also top of mind.
Well, I look forward to the day that we don't have any abortions in South Carolina and we won't need exceptions.
A day after the state's fetal heartbeat law went into effect, Governor Henry McMaster says he wants the state lawmakers to move forward with more restrictive legislation. The Speaker of the House or the President of the Senate are the only two legislators who have the power to call a special session. Merle Smith is the Speaker of the House. His office says a committee has been appointed for testimony. I formed this committee to enable the House to act swiftly. I look forward to considerable testimony the committee will take, and I anticipate the committee's ultimate recommendation for legislative action.
There's no need to wait. We are in session. That's one of the items that can be discussed is in the sine die resolution. Generally, we call it a special session on that issue.
The fetal heartbeat bill bans abortion after 6 weeks, with the exception of rape and incest. As of right now, penalties are only directed at doctors who perform abortions. In Columbia, Zoe Henry, News 19, WLTX.
And House members have formed a committee to reevaluate the state's abortion laws. The group will meet next Thursday to discuss an abortion bill that was filed on the last day of the legislative session. The bill would prohibit abortions in South Carolina, but no further details have been announced. And